Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can convert your Facebook account into a page very easily. Friends, please put your likes, also write comments at the end of the video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go ahead and get started with this video. And please open up the Facebook application to begin with. Now click on these three dots. Next, select the option to enable professional mode. Now click Enable. Wait a few seconds for everything to load. Don't worry, it's supposed to. After that, make the modification required for you here. Continue. And now friends, if you log out of your profile and go back in, you will need to update it. And as you can see, there's already a change. It says that this profile is already a professional profile. And now it's no longer an account but a Facebook page. Friends, this is how you can easily convert your Facebook account into a page. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care.